For this bracelet I've used 3 colours on the left and 3 on the right, with 2 threads in the centre which are only going to be worked over. So these threads won't show up in the pattern and can be any colour, so it's a good opportunity to use up some scrap threads. To begin, you want to work the 3 threads on the left over the 2 centre threads using forward knots. And as a note, you want to keep these threads in the same position as they were on this side. So this thread came from the right hand side, so it wants to stay on the right hand side. And you have to do this for every thread. So this one was in the centre of the left hand threads and wants to stay in the centre when I've done these knots. So once you've done your first colour, you want to work your second colour, and you want to take this colour over the top of the colours that you've worked, and again work over the threads that were in the centre, but this time using backward knots. And as before, you want to keep them in the same position as they were on this side. So this one was on the left, and this one was in the centre, and so on. So once you've switched the positions of both your colours, you want to do the same thing again with the other colour and bring it back into the original position. So taking the one that you worked the last time, and again you want to take the colour next to that one and bring it back to the right hand side, working over the top of the threads that you just worked until you're not with forward knots over the 2 threads that were in the centre. And you want to keep repeating these steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with 2 braided tie-on ends, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.